Good morning, Hamilton. Today is Tuesday, March 21st, and it's going to be a wonderful day of working hard and being kind. I'm so glad that you're here today, and we have a lot we're going to be talking about, starting with our vocabulary word, rotation. Rotation means to turn an object around a center point, and our Earth rotates around our axis, right? It's spinning all the time, and staying still, but spinning around in a circle. Right? That's what the word rotation means. Excellent. So, seeing if you can use that word rotation in a sentence. Maybe you can think of something that rotates in a circle around a center point. I can think of some rides at an amusement park that you could utilize the word rotation. That might be a good way for you to come up with the word and put it in our bin for this week for our vocabulary. All right, we also have our core essential of forgiveness. Deciding that someone who has wronged you doesn't have to pay. And have you ever heard what's in the middle of the word forgiveness? I see this word, give. Give is in the middle. Forgiveness really is a gift that has to be given away. Deciding that someone who's wronged you doesn't have to pay is a true gift. And it's a gift that the person who's receiving it probably isn't expecting. If they did something wrong to you, they might be expecting judgment, or maybe for you to be mad at them for a while, or maybe even worse. But they probably weren't expecting to be forgiven. They probably weren't expecting that gift. And there's no greater feeling giving a gift to someone who really appreciates it and who really wants it. Forgiveness is a true gift that you can give someone else. It's a great thing to focus on. So let's see if we can work on that today. All right, I wanted to talk a little bit today about our fire drill that we had yesterday. Now, I think that we always do a great job with our fire drills. We practice. That's why we do them, so that we can practice what to do if there was ever an emergency in real life. And yesterday we had Ms. Lopez block one of the doors to practice what would happen if we couldn't use a door in a real fire. What would we do? We have to know the different way we could get out of the school. And it's so important whenever we're doing a fire drill, or if there was a real emergency, that we're staying calm when something like that happens. I noticed that when some classes had to turn and go the other way, there were some students that started to run, or that started to shout, or that started to panic a little bit. That does not need to happen at school during a drill or during the real thing. Teachers are there to keep you safe, and teachers' directions are going to keep you safe. When we're running or shouting or not doing what we're supposed to do, we can't hear the teacher directions and we can't stay safe. Also, when we start running, someone could fall and get hurt, and then that makes it a much bigger problem. So I want us to make sure we're all focused on, even if things don't go normally like they would during a fire drill, that's okay. How can I still follow directions so that I can stay safe? Your teachers are going to be talking to you about which way you normally go out for a fire drill, and then what's an alternate way you can go in case a way is blocked. That's a good thing for us to practice. So teachers will be going over all of those directions and expectations with you today. All right, today is our very special day. Tonight is bingo night. Now remember, you had to RSVP for bingo night. And we are excited to have you come with your families. There's going to be lots of opportunities to play bingo, to eat some food. You might be able to win some prizes if you win at bingo. It's going to be a fun night. It's tonight, 4:30 until 6, and you have to be here with a grown-up in your family, okay? They can't just drop you off and drive away and you play bingo by yourself. It's a family night. We're expecting you to be here with your family. All right, Hamilton, I hope that you have a wonderful day of working hard and being kind today. Make sure you enjoy bingo night if you're coming. If you're not coming, we'll miss you and we'll see you tomorrow, okay? All right, at this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.